Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sarah Albert, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you're not, thank you for coming back. On today's video, I'll be teaching you how to wear and take care of your contact lens. So we'll be working with the brand Fresh Look Color Blends in the color Sterling Grey. I've actually used this particular lens before. It's not the first time I'll be wearing it, so the main purpose of this video is to teach you how to reuse your lens, the do's and don'ts. So when you open your kit, this is what it looks like. I'll first bring out the case where I have my lens in already and with solutions in it, so it's labeled right and left, so you don't mix up the lens you use on your right eye for the left. Now, if you want to wear your contact lens after you've used it before, first things, change your solution. I cannot overemphasize on that. You have to change your solution. So what you do is you open the first one. I think I'm starting with the right. You open it and then you pick your tweezers. We have this tool inside the tweezers, and then you take the lens out like this. You want to raise the lid and drop it in the lid. So this is it, and you do the same for the left one. You want to open it, take it out, and then you drop it in. I'll just go now and dispose this solution. The case is clean. You can go ahead and rinse it. You rinse your case and make sure it's free from all dirt, and then to take out my Fresh Look solution, and I'm going to pour it into this container. I'll pour as much as is enough for the contacts. So you want to do this now. Pour in your solution. Pour in the other one. Okay, when you're done with that, you want to take your tweezers and pick one of the lens and put inside. You pick it and you put, and please cover with the correct one. So I just picked the right contact and I'm covering with the right cover, and you want to do the same for the left. So I've picked and I'm putting inside, and I'll cover it. So this step is very necessary. Now you have a fresh solution, and I'm sure your contacts will be free of all the germs that must have stayed in for the while you do not use it. Now for application, we have this eye drop here. Some people use it before applying the contact lens, but me, I like to use mine after applying my contact lens. How would you apply this now? I'll start with my right eye. So I'm going to open up now, still use the tweezers and take it out, and then I'm going to pick up the applicator, this one, and I'll put the back on the applicator just like this, and then you want to apply now. So when applying, I would always move my eye in the opposite direction from where I'm fixing the contact lens. So if you want to fix it from this corner, you have to look this way. If you want to fix it from this corner, you have to look this way. So let's do this now. You see, very easy. So when you fix, when it's set in your eye, all you need to do is to rotate your eyeballs until it gets to a very good position, and sets in well. You may have little tears coming out, is normal. You just putting something into the eye, obviously, so you want to clean. And then now I would apply my eye drop. Just 2 drops is fine. Close the eye for a bit. So this one is in. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other eye. Let's cover, open this one, pick it up, place it on the applicator, and then you want to put this okay. There goes the tear, and then you drop in. Alrighty, all right. And we are done. Thank you guys for sticking with me. So this is how you simply take care of your contacts. Now when you're done, all you need to do is take it out and place in the right compartment of this container, and then you save. Next time you use, you change your solution before you use it again. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video.